break my back right now.
We are here at, where are we at?
Malecon.
We are waiting for the lighting of the tree,
What if I'm turning? What if I'm not around?
which I thought was going to be sooner.
Whoever's watching,
But
get
of
down and
course,
give me
Kriss and
20.
her perfect times.
I always mess up the timing of the lightings. We're trying to get back there, but nobody will let us because that's where Santa's at and we want to see Santa Claus.
Probably not there yet.
But if I have to stay here all night to see Santa, that's what we're gonna do. Look at all these people.
Crowd.
It is crowded. Staff, restaurants. Ooh, whoa, who's that? In the back there. I've been on that boat. Is that the boat that I went on?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Honey, is that the Captain Morgan or no? No, it's not.
Are you sure it's not? Is it the...
We are back downtown. Malecon 2000. The tree is lit. Last night we tried to come out here and it did not work in our favor because they were late lighting the tree. But it is lit now. And Louis is excited. Last night you couldn't even walk. You couldn't even, I mean, it was insane. We had to get out of here. It was completely insane last night. I mean, there's still a lot of people, but not quite as many yet. Okay. All right, let's go. I hear crying kids. I hear kids crying. You want to go take a picture over there? Honey, I want them to take a picture over here. Like you. Right here by the owl. By the owl. Oh, with the bread in hand and everything. They got the munchies, guys. All right. Come look at Mama. Let's not. All right, one. They did it with the bread in their hand. Baby, which way? Is it this way? Right there. The tree is gorgeous. Tony doesn't like when I walk alone, but yeah, he walks in front of me and leaves me behind. They know they used to have little globes there. Honey, let them finish eating first. This tree is really pretty. Louis, go with your... Still got bread in hand. Okay, look at Mommy. Bread in hand still. 1, 2, 3. Look at Mama. Elijah, stop moving. Got it. I don't know what we're not supposed to have.
Oh my god, that's so... Wait, you're allowed to go in there? Yeah.
What? Tony. He's walking super fast. Tony. So for those, Santa's not seeing anybody for another hour, and it's crazy because it said 6 o'clock. That was insane. That was insane. Sure.
Let's take a picture of it.
I'm not gonna break anything.
I went in a train in Florida and there was one of people. It was like it's straight.
Hang tight.
Hang on, guys. Camille, tell him to hang on.
Poor choo-choo train is hurt.
But as long as it's lovely, let it go, let it go.
Hey! Hey! Hey, baby!
Jingle bells, jingle,
Hi!
jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song.
Did you guys have fun?
Louis, what did you think? I'm still spinning. No.
Louis, what did you think?
Like this and see if you can.
What did you think, Louis? Creepy? Say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Elijah, I can't see your face. Louis. All right.
Take a picture of the mansion. Not me by myself.
One more. Awesome. Okay, come safely back. Sassy. Another drone. That's a drone, isn't it? Oh, no, it's a plane. No, crazy.
Crazy old duty.
Look at La Perla.
Rudy, Chase is acting like a booty.
I think we should walk down to La Perla and then walk back.
What?
So that way he can at least see Santa Claus. As long as your daddy says yes. If he says no, then it's no. He's the party pooper. Tony! Tony! No, because they don't put baby Jesus until Christmas Eve. On Christmas Eve is when baby Jesus gets put in. Yeah. Tony rushes through the whole thing. Tony like runs, like literally dips out.
I don't like
Enjoying yourself?
Always. Paranoid about enjoying myself.
I'm gonna enjoy myself. I got the Christmas that look like that. The motorcycle.
I can't see your face.
The motorcycle.
It says photos con Papa Noel. 1700.
That's what I'm gonna call it.
We're gonna try to go back in to see Santa Claus. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus. The tree is gorgeous. Are you taking a picture? Let me get one of you, babe. Louie. Yes or no?
Yeah. Have to wait.
So we've been waiting an hour and a half for Santa, and he was supposed to be here 3 hours ago. He's here, but they're not letting anybody take a picture with him until another 10 minutes, which is crazy.
Helium balloon.
I don't know, but y'all got balloons. I'm not gonna buy one to throw it in the air. There's his glasses. He doesn't. There he is, Louie, finally. It's only been
Bitch, get out my
2
seat.
hours.
It's only been 3 hours.
No, Louie.
He's saying hi.
Hagan la columna en la parte de acá, por favor. Para que vayan.
No.
Ready?
You can get your phone out. Louie, wait, it's Louie. You have a.
Totalmente gratis, pero
Do it quick, because that's what I'm saying. You can't take
correo electrónico.
You can't?
Yeah, just take it quick.
Solo con la cámara.
Just with the camera.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay.
Espérate, haga la columna ya, por favor.
Put it away.
I didn't take any. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
No.
T, EGVZ,
And we are leaving. Finally got the picture with Santa. They said no video, no nothing. But y'all know I took a picture and a video. Because that's what vloggers do, right? We don't listen. So we are now exiting. It took us 2 hours to see Santa. And people think I'm talking to myself. That happens to vloggers too. Merry Christmas, everybody. Well, not quite Christmas yet.